So we are in a new area here, and I am all by myself. I'm the only one crazy enough probably to come out here today. It's after we've had all these rains. The ground is extremely kind of soupy. There's a lot of clay in this dirt, sticking to the tires, slipping, sliding all over the place. And it's cold. Oh my God, it's 40 degrees out. I'm not sure what I'm doing here myself, but we're gonna have some fun. And I haven't ridden for about, oh gosh, over 4 weeks. I injured my other hand. You know, when I fell, I injured my right hand when I pulled my ligament in one of my fingers. But you are never gonna guess what I did to my other hand. And I actually injured it much worse than the right one. I can't win. I was actually putting on my shirt in the bathroom, and I swung my hand and my arm into the sleeve of my shirt, and it swung around and down and hit the towel bar right on the knuckle, and really, really hard. So hard that it just completely, it actually cut it and bruised the tendon, and I may have actually broke something, I don't know. I never went to the doctor. But it's still not healed. It hurts. I'm gonna have a hard time with the clutch today. Woo, that's muddy. But yeah, just getting back into riding again. Oh, it's nice. I missed it. Like I said, I probably shouldn't have been out here today, but whoa! I just couldn't resist. Wow, this trail is really interesting. It's running through this deep canyon with snow and trees around. It's very different from what I'm used to, especially out in the desert. And this is actually dirt, no sand. Now it's loose, whew, very loose, but it's still dirt, actual dirt. Really nice canyon, wow. And of course, all the snow on the side, it doesn't hurt. And it feels very secluded. Whew. It's fun, but it's still slippery. Wow, this stuff's loose and soupy. Wow. In the summertime, this has got probably a handful. A lot of soft silt. Nice, I could follow my tracks a little. It's the only one here. Woo! Ooh, I almost wheelied over the water. Wow. And yes, I know, I probably don't have the right body position. But sorry to say, ho! Ho, 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 ho! No, stop, stop! Oh! Oh, that's... Oh, hey! It made it! Up, 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 up. Up, up. Wow! I have got to look at that footage. Unbelievable! I stopped it before it pancaked into the ground, but it was in the circle mode, so it just kept going. Wow! Amazing! These look really neat. They're all eroded. It's pretty neat. Alright. Well, I can see my truck there, so we are about done. Thanks so much for joining me as usual. What a day. Wow. What a day. Did not expect this at all. Not at all. But it was fun. Wow, what an adventure. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Well, I lost another camera. The metal broke. That aluminum, fatigued, sheared right off. Do I go look for it? I have no idea when that fell off. God, I'm telling you, this stuff ain't built strong enough for me. I should go look for it. All right, well, I won't bore you with the search, but I'll see if I can find it. At least I can follow my tracks, that's for sure. All right. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you like what you saw, and leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.